Have you ever wondered how to start investing without the hassle of complex financial jargon and high minimums? Well, today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful investment platform, stashAway. Whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline your investments, stashAway offers a user-friendly approach to growing your wealth. Understanding stashAway. stashAway is a robo-advisor, an automated investment platform that uses algorithms to select and manage a diversified portfolio of ETFs, exchange-traded funds. This means you don't have to worry about picking individual stocks or bonds. Key benefits of stashAway. Simplicity. Easy sign-up, a straightforward process that requires minimal information. Risk profiling, a quick questionnaire to assess your risk tolerance and investment goals. Automated investing, once your profile is set, stashAway automatically invests your money. Diversification. Spreading risk, your money is invested across various asset classes and regions, reducing the impact of market volatility. Professional management, experienced investment professionals oversee your portfolio. Low fees. Affordable investing, stashAway charges competitive management fees, making it accessible to a wide range of investors. Flexibility. Customizable plans, you can choose from various investment plans to suit your needs, whether it's short-term goals or long-term wealth building. Regular contributions, set up automatic contributions to invest consistently. How to invest in stashAway, a step-by-step guide. Create an account. Visit the stashAway website or download the app. Provide basic personal information and complete the risk assessment questionnaire. Fund your account. Link your bank account to transfer funds. Choose your preferred investment plan. Start investing. stashAway will automatically invest your money based on your risk profile and chosen plan. Tips for maximizing your stashAway experience. Set clear goals, define your financial objectives to align your investment strategy. Start small, begin with a modest investment and gradually increase your contributions. Stay patient, remember, investing is a long-term game. Avoid making impulsive decisions. Review your portfolio regularly, monitor your investments and make adjustments as needed. stashAway offers a convenient and efficient way to start your investment journey. By leveraging technology and professional expertise, you can grow your wealth without the complexities of traditional investing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.